Welcome back to the channel, guys. Glad to have you here. So today, believe it or not, I'm uploading some old footage from way back in I think this was late 2016 or early 2017. So really old footage I have up here, and this is, believe it or not, my office right here. So pretty much remodeled the whole thing. I left the drop ceiling. I painted the grids on the drop ceiling with some spray paint, reused the panels, or ripped down the walls to decide I wanted to tile up 4 feet up, so I replaced the wallboard where necessary. I actually put some curdy board down low, so if ever sees any water ever, it'll never affect the board. And I said, I'm going to tile this whole shebang, so my supplier actually helped me out with some tile they had laying around the warehouse that I use on this, believe it or not. Thank you again, Jimmy. Really helped me out. So I had some leftover tile from that and another job I did like a year or so before I did this project. The client just gave me some leftover tile they had. So basically I'm going to show my install processor here. This is what I do on a majority of jobs when the time allows, is you know, what you really want to do in most scenarios. Make sure everything is flat up to industry standards. I went around with shred edges using a patch material, and then sometimes I had to use thin set and let it dry because that's all I had on site. But ideally you want to use a patch material on the walls, and you want to make sure if you're going to do it in a wet area that's it's approved to use a patch material like in a shower, and that's going to bond real good and whatnot. If you use on a floor, make sure you use, if you have to prime the floor, whatever it needs to make sure to stay bonded and all that. So I'm going to show you the install here. I installed the 18 by 18 porcelain tile that was calibrated. It was about a 1/4 inch thick. I used profiles along the whole top, and then I use marble down low on the base. The clips I have of this, I think I recorded, was me tile on the 18s on the wall. I don't think I took any footage of the floor setting, but I'll look through my hard drive, see if I can find anything. If I put marble on the floor, I did like a border with marble, and then the field tile were these 18 by 18 porcelains, and then I did like a section when you first walk in with the marble on a herringbone and little mosaics for the transition, because this room was a little bit higher than the outside room there. So I hope you enjoy the video. The classic footage I have here, I've just never uploaded it, but enjoy it. Tell me what you think, and if you want to see more install videos like this. I don't do them as much as I used to, but it's all about what you guys, the viewers, want to see and what I can help you with, on your project, or give you the information you need to do the job properly, and see someone like myself that does it every day for a living, my trial and errors and what I do to do things properly and have a long-lasting installation, making sure the client is happy. So there you go, guys. Enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll go from there. Everyone out there, have a good one. Okay, got all the rooms, all the walls shredded out here. I can show you, this is I think I use a 6-foot shred edge on here, this section right here. Got it pretty damn flat if you look at that edge there. Really, really flat. Now, this said, it's flat left to right vertically. I only went 2 tiles high, so I wasn't, really concerned about being perfectly plumb or flat going vertically. I was more concerned about going horizontally. So anytime you screed a wall and you're not using a way to plumb it up, you gotta just go flat vertically or horizontally. You can't really make it both ways. So in this situation, I just decided to do horizontally, and it really came out good.